The part of practicing law that I like best is being able to tell a story or a narrative to a jury and having that story or narrative be consistent with their own life experience so that they'll actually listen to what I have to say. The problem that every lawyer has when they walk into a courtroom is that the jurors have no idea why they're there. They've been pulled away from their daily lives and they want to know that it's been for a good reason. When I was younger and wanted to be a writer in college, I was studying English and English literature. What I realized is that I didn't really have many life experiences that gave me an opportunity to tell a story that would be compelling to anybody. But practicing law and being able to tell somebody else's story, and now having had a life full of personal and professional experiences, I feel very qualified to tell those stories in a way that hopefully juries they'll find compelling and they'll find to be worth listening to. The biggest piece of advice I give to every client before I engage is make sure that filing a lawsuit is something you want to do. For a lot of people, being involved in litigation is a life-changing event. It's expensive, it's time-consuming, and it has an emotional element that is really difficult to measure. The other piece of advice I give to people is be very careful about whether or not you settle a case. Because if you don't settle it, you will get an outcome you're certain to be frustrated with, even if it's exactly what you wanted at the outset. And the reason for that is that it's not the dollars that are written on the judgment. It's not the attorney's fees that may get awarded. It's the feeling ultimately that you have at the end of it that really is going to dictate how you value whether or not the experience was worth the effort.